Hello and welcome to this how to fix start menu not working on Windows 10 tutorial. From time to time you can run into problems with the start menu. I'm going to show you a few ways to hopefully solve the issue. The first method is very fast and easy. For this we need to open the task manager. Sometimes the Windows taskbar is still working. If it does, you can right click on it and select task manager. However, you probably need to open it by using the keyboard combination Ctrl-Alt-Delete and then select task manager. In Task Manager, search for Windows Explorer. If you have a folder open, you can select it in the active apps. Otherwise, you have to scroll all the way down, select it, and then simply click on the Restart button. This takes a couple of seconds, and with some luck, your start menu is back to its old self. If not, we have a lot of other methods to try. The next method that we can try is slightly more difficult. We remain in Task Manager. This time, click on File, and then continue by clicking on the Run New Task option. This opens a new window. In here you need to enter PowerShell and make sure to check the box for administrator privileges. Click on OK. Here you need to enter the following command: sfc /scannow. sfc stands for System File Checker. This tool can detect and fix corrupted files. Running the command can take a few minutes time. Once it is done, you have a few possible outcomes. It could be that there are no problems found. It could be that Windows found corrupt files and was able to fix them automatically. And it's also possible that corrupt files were found, but Windows wasn't able to fix them. So when the scan now wasn't able to resolve the issue automatically, we can try helping it a hand with the following commands. Type DISM /online /cleanup -image /RestoreHealth. You can also copy it from the description if you want. Same as before, this command can take some time to complete. Once completed, check if the Windows Start menu is working once more. If not, we have more methods to explore. For the next one, we continue from the Windows Task Manager. We are basically going to reboot the PC in safe mode. Click on File and again select Run New Task. Type in msconfig and click on OK. This opens the system configuration window. Click on the Boot tab. Next, select the Save Boot box and click on OK. Then select the Restart option and your Windows OS is going to reboot in safe mode. Once the PC is rebooted, hit Ctrl-Alt-Delete once more. Click on File, followed by Run New Task. Again, type in msconfig and hit Enter. Go to the Boot tab and uncheck the Save Boot option. Restart the PC once more. You can now check if your Windows Start menu is back to normal. If not, we have one more possible solution. The last method is a bit more extreme, but isn't that risky and it has a good chance of fixing the Start menu. With this method, we are going to reinstall the Windows apps. A few years ago, this could result in an issue with the Windows Store. For the last 2 years, it seems to be much safer. I personally never had any problems with this. Same as before, we need to open PowerShell with administrator access. Once the window opens, you can copy the following command in it. I added it in the description, so feel free to copy it from there. During this command, you might see some red errors appear in your PowerShell window. You can ignore this as they are usually access related or they simply cannot be found. Running the command is going to take a few minutes. When this is done, you can reboot the PC. With some luck, you have a working start menu once more. If this is not the case, you could consider creating a new Windows user on your PC. It's also possible to reset the PC to factory settings. I really hope that you don't need to go that far, but these are two alternative solutions that might work. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Be sure to subscribe if you want to watch more Windows or software related tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.